Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in my garage hanging out. I got my guy B.
Yo.
Everybody know B. Oh, come on, we gotta get you in the light, man.
Give me the light.
We gotta get some light on you, man. Nah, it was dark on that side. So we got my guy B, man. Hey, a lot of you guys probably know B by now, man. B on everybody channel, just hanging out, chilling. You know what I mean? So, we got my mother-in-law back there hanging out. She didn't want to be on camera, but anyway. So yeah, right now B came through. He got a bunch of parts. I wasn't gonna do a video because I had a long night hanging out last night, but this thing is coming out so dope. I gotta get this on camera, man, and show you guys what we're doing. So we're doing his brakes today. We're actually changing out brake pads. We're gonna do the power stop brake pads, for that. And any of you guys that got a 392, especially a 6-piston 392, knows that the brake pads is crap on these cars anyway. So he's gonna go in the option where there's no more brake dust, and we're gonna be painting these brakes also. As you can see, it's already ready to go. So I'll show you guys the front so far. That's the primer. The primer's laid down already, and we're not gonna show you guys what color yet that we're doing. So we're gonna keep that as a little surprise for you guys. We got the rear diffuser, and we got these Carven 5-inch tips, and then we also got a wicker bill install that we're doing. So he's going with a wicker bill. So this car's gonna get a nice transformation today. So he's gonna be happy with it. I'm waiting to see what the outcome looks like. So anyway, stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show you guys, kind of what the car looks like now. Well, let's drop a photo of that right now. Anyway, so alright, so you guys seen that photo, what it looks like. So that was the before, and let's just wait for the after. Stay tuned. Alright guys, quick update. So here goes the brakes. They're all primed up. See the front and the rear. So color's going down next. Matter of fact, so you guys already know that I did brakes on my car, which I do got a video on that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link across the screen for that. Well, not the link across, but you'll see it come across the screen right now in the top right hand corner. But also I'll put it in the description below, so you guys can watch that video on a full how to paint Brembos on your Dodge Charger. You could do it on a Mustang, big brakes vehicle. You know what I'm saying? So whatever car you're driving, whatever, you can paint your brakes yourself at home. All right, so check that video out. Hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so it's now nighttime, guys. I got Brian's car all done finally. So like I said, we did the rear diffuser, wicker bill, 5-inch carbon tips, and painted his brakes blue. So let's check that out real quick. But you know what, it's kind of dark outside right now, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys right now what it looks like. I don't know if you guys might be able to see it, but if not, we're gonna insert some pictures anyway of some day shots of the car in this video right now. So you guys will see that coming across after this. But let's see what it looks like. Like I said, with the 5-inch tips. Let me get my phone, light it up for you guys a little bit. So 5-inch carbon tips is on. That's that. The brakes are painted blue. You guys see, that thing came out super clean, man. And And the front is all done already also. As you guys can see, man. So he's got the reflective Brembo stickers. Oh, you guys might be able to see me like this. So his stickers are reflective though, man. So it's pretty dope. So in the nighttime you'll see that. But check out the wicker bill. And the wicker bill, we went ahead and did the middle part black, as you can see it right there. Alright, so the middle part of the wicker bill is black. So it's all gloss. Anyway, so I hope you guys like the video. You guys seen the photos of the car, and the day shots that I did say I was gonna put in there. So anyway, like, subscribe, comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one, man. Yo, Brian, thanks for coming through.
Hey, like, comment, subscribe, Garage Driven.
Yes,
remember that.
Yes,
Appreciate
sir.
you, bro.
Hey, man, thank you very much for coming through, man. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.